Okay. So, by the way, how many of us were in the market last Friday, and then we saw the market moved when the NFP data was released? Okay. So it will be a good time for us to also share the screen, and then before we start reading out uh uh the analysis and the likes, right? So let me share my screen, and then we go straight to the let's see how the market fared, and then we go straight to the to our charts. All right. So 1 minute. Okay. All right. So good afternoon once again, everybody. Now, okay. Let me do the meeting. Okay. All right. So if you look at, I believe you can all see my screen. Last Friday we had the NFP, the NFP data. We had it released last Friday, and then we saw that the news came out good for the dollar in the sense that on all in on all parameters, talking about the average hourly earnings, the non-farm employment change, and unemployment rate, all of them came out good. Okay, that shows a strong labor market. 1 minute, please. All right. So all of them came out good on all parameters, meaning that people have are earning more. Yeah, for the past 1 month, we had more jobs created, and then unemployment rate has also reduced. That shows a strong labor market. And so that's actually a good one. And that's why if you check your chart, let me switch to our chart, and you will realize that dollar actually soared that very day. And interestingly, that it's unusual um to see NFP trading in a linear direction. It is quite unusual to see NFP trading in a linear direction, because if we look at it here now on Friday, you realize that the market just went down all the way, and it kept going down from Friday till now. From Friday till now. Okay, I'm on GU. I was going to show US index. Now look at the dollar. Look at the dollar trading against other currency pairs. Now it went up. The moment it went up that day, it kept going up all day, even till today, before it got to the proving resistance today. All right, so it's still going to be a very good one. Now, if you ask me, what would the market be doing today? Price has got to the proving resistance on 1 hour, okay, and it will also be a good time to also uh perhaps be able to engage our limit orders, and then coupling it with that of stop orders. We just find our ways in taking good entries and taking good position. Okay. All right. So, well, I think I might want to start with the indices market. Okay. I want to start with the indices markets today. So I would want us to and I don't want to be so fast. You understand? But in case I'm fast, I will try and repeat myself over and over so that you can get the entries. All right. So let me first go look at the indices market as well, because they 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 they, they actually bought the brunt of the strength in dollar that day. They bought the brunt that day because we saw that they just kept selling. Where's my US? Let me begin with US 100. All right, let me begin with US 100. They just kept selling and selling that very day. All right. Okay. 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 Just 1 minute, please. Okay. That's my US 100. Okay. All right. I'll just open that one. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to start with US 100. Okay. Now, if you look at it on Friday, the interesting is that happened that Friday is that uh the moment US 100 went down, after the news, it went up again. But today it has opened bearish. I'm on 1 hour time frame. I'm still going to go on lower time frame for us to take entry. You know, usually on Mondays we don't really have, and this Monday is a peculiar case. For at least uh today being Monday, we still have a kind of high impact news. One came out in the middle of the night, uh, and then another is still coming out today. So it's still a good one. It's still a good one this week. For us to have a high impact news, at least two of the of high impact news, on the Monday morning, okay, because by 4 p.m. We'll see have a high impact news from the US zone, the ISM services PMI. So what I'm going to do is that let's see how we can take advantage of all this information and make good money for ourselves in the market. All right. So I'm going to start with US 100, like I said. So on US 100, I'm going to go on 5 minutes time frame. You know, I love using 5 minutes time frame. I'm going to go on 5 minutes time frame for us to take good entries on US 100. Now, if you look at it here, if you have been in the market all day, somehow you would have seen that they are on 5 minutes. The market has been moving on 5 minutes. Market has been moving, and then you could still have made money trading the market today. But just that for a couple of hours now, market has not traded what's it called? It has not traded beyond a particular point here today. If you look at it here, around this region for the past 10, 15, 20, 30, 45 minutes, it's been trading below the 50.0 fib level. So this is what we're going to do. You understand? And perhaps we also, I might want to stay till 4 p.m. for us to take advantage of the market. You understand? So on US 100, I'm going to ask you to go in for a sell. I'm going to ask you to go in for a sell if price trade below. Going for a sell if price trade below. I'm going to give you a sell stop here. Once the market opens at 2:30 and I see what's going to happen, I'm going to give you a follow up trade. But for a sell trade on US 100, I'm going to ask you to go in at price 17692, 17692.95, 17692.95, 17692.95, 17692.95, 17692.95. Right. That's your entry. 17692.95. Okay. Now for your take profit on it, for your take profit, I'm going to ask you to go in to take your profit at price level 17. Okay. All right. 17682.64. 17682.64. 17682.64 is your TP. 17682.64. That is your TP. All right, that's your TP. Now, for your buy entry on US 100, for buy entry on US 100, so I'm going to ask that you go in for a buy. Go in for your buy. If price trades above 17,717, 17,717.93, 17,717.93. Go in for a buy trade. You understand? And look at taking your profit. Look at taking your profit around price level. Okay. Take a profit at price level 17,730.75. 17,730.75. You know, the dynamics to this is that once the news comes out, yeah, I might want to, because price will have triggered either of the positions, all right, and then we'll have taken a profit. I might give you a follow-up position as well. And if we need to do or take advantage of limit orders, I'm going to let you know, all right. So that is for US 100, right? So for US 30, let me quickly go to US 30. Okay, I don't know why my all right. So for US 30, I thought I had US 30 opened already. Okay, I can't see my guys. Okay, I'm just going to. Okay, no problem. I will just have to open. All right, let me just open US 30. Okay, so for our US 30, I'm going to ask us to do this. Just change my chat. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Mr. Jerry, thank you for dropping it for us. That's great. That's great. All right. So, for our US 30, I'm going to ask us to do this on this 5 minutes time frame. I'm going to ask us to look out for a sell trade if price trade below 38598, 38598. Go in for your sell at 38598. Okay, and then you can have your profit. You can look at taking your profit around price level, 38559, 38559, 38559. Take your profit at 38559. Okay, so that's for your sell. That's your sell stop on US 30. Okay, then for your buy stop on US 30, go in for a buy. Deliberately, I'm doing this deliberately. Go in for a buy if price trades above 38700, 38700. Going for a buy at 38700, and let's look at taking a profit at 38756, 38756, 38756. All right, 38756. That is for US 30. Okay, then for US 500, okay, for US 500, so we just go in that same dimension on 5 minutes. Okay, all right, so I'm going to go on 5 minutes, and then we'll take our entry as well on US 500. Let's see how the outlook here. All right, so on US 500, I'm going to ask you to go in for your buy. Go in for a buy. Going for a buy. If price trades, community trades above, let me see what's doing here. If price community trades above price level 4969.6, 4969.6, 4969.6, 4969.6. Okay, so you can look at taking your profit at price level 4972.2, 4972.2, 4972.2. All right, And then for your sell trade on US 500, just conveniently go in at price. Let me draw it down a bit. Okay, 4964.3, 4964.3, 4964.3, and let's look at taking our profit. Let's look at taking our profit at price level 4961.7, 4961.7. Okay, so for our US 2000, okay, for US 2000, we go in for our trade on US 2000, if price trades below price level. Okay. Because you can see that on 1 hour price is actually resting on a support. Okay. Resting on a support, and the possibilities for it to go down more is still very much there. Okay. So I'm going to say we going for a sell if price trade below 1945.4, 1945.4, 1945.4, and then we look at taking our profits around price level 19, this is about 50 pips, 1940.2, 1940.2, 1940.2. Okay, we've done US 100, and graciously, Mr. Jerry has posted it. All right. So Mr. Jerry has posted it. Maybe he will be gracious enough to help you repost since you are just joining. Okay. All right. So 1945.4, and then take your profit at 1940.2. Okay. And it's looking at, maybe I should let me adjust it so that it will not trigger before time. Let me adjust it. I'm going to adjust the sell entry now. I don't want it to trigger before time. I'm adjusting it to 1944.0. He's still selling 1944.0 the US, and then I'm going to take the profit at 1940.2. 40 pips is also good. 1940.2. This is about 40 pips. 1944.0 to 1940.2. That's for your sell entry. And then for your buy entry on US 2000, go in if price trades above 1952.6. So my attention is drawn to the buy entry for the US 100. Let me quickly see. Hope it has not triggered, so that will not. I don't want anything to trigger before time. All right. So US 100. Okay, see the US 100 I was looking for. Meanwhile, let me just open it. Okay, it has not triggered. You can see adjust it. Let's adjust it. Though it will trigger. You understand? But I don't want it to trigger before time. Let me adjust it, right? The US 100, I'm adjusting the buy entry. My attention was drawn to it. I don't want it to trigger before times. So I'm adjusting it to let it get to price level 17.7 to 1.05. 17.7 to 1.05. 17.7 to 1.05. And let's take our profit at price level 17.7 33.17. 17.7 33.17. 17.7 33.17. Hope we got that. 17.7 33.17. The entry at 17.7 to 1.05 and TP at 17.7. Okay, that is for the that's for it. All right, so let's go to US 2000. I was about dropping it. 2000, take profit. I said your entry for 2000 is 1952.6, and you can look at taking your profit at 1956.4. Take your profit at 1956.4. Okay, that's a good one. That's a good one. So 1952.6 at your entry, then 1956.4 at your TP. For DE30, I think I can see my stops here now. So for D30, D40, right? So I'm going to ask us to do this quickly. I'm tempted to tell you to use a sell limit, but I don't want to do that. You understand? So going for a buy if price trades above 17,000.8. 17,000.8 going for a buy at 17,000.8 and take your profit at 17,019.3. 17,019.3. 17,019.3. Right? For your sell trade on D30 D40, so go in at price level 16,972.1. 16,972.1. 16,972.1. And then take your profit at price level 16,946.7. 16,946.7. 16,946.7. Okay. All right. So for your gold trade, quickly, let's look at gold. So for your gold trade, so let's look at taking an entry on gold for a buy. Go in if price trades above 2021.05. 2021.05, and then you may look at taking your profit around price level 2026.14. 2026.14. Okay, so for your sell entry, just go below 2011.32. 2011.32, and look at taking your profit. Around price level 2004.04. 2004.04. 2004.04. That will be a good and proper entry. That will be a good and proper entry. All right. So that is for that. So I'm going to switch straight to our currency. I really wanted us to move closer to the time before I started doing starting to do the currency. All right. So for the currency market, I'm going to start with US index on currency market, currency trade. I'm going to start with US index. Okay. So I said dollar has been strong. It's just that technically it has got to a resistance, which perhaps should call for a kind of concern in engaging the limit orders. Okay, if it were not for the what's it called? What do we call it? The market session, I would have said start with a sell immediately. And you can see that it's beginning to do that. But this is what we're going to do, all right? I'm going to ask you to go in for a sell on US. This one now, let me go on 15 minutes time frame. We're going on 15 minutes time frame. I'm going to ask you to go in for a sell, okay? If price trade below 104.157, 104.157 on US index, 104.157. You can go in for a sell on US index, 104.157. Going for a sell on US index, 104.157. Going for a sell on US index, and let's look at we can drag it further. Let's look at taking our profit around 104.025. 104.025. Let's look at taking our profit at 104.025. And like I would always say, you don't always need to wait for take profit before you take your profit. You don't need to always wait for TP before you take your profit. All right. If you use good volume, especially on currency, you can use good volume and you don't need to stay too long in the market before you close. Some of us must have known that by now, right? Okay. Then for a buy trade as an alternative position, you may look at going in for a buy at 104.389. 104.389. 104.389. You may look at for a buy at 104.389. 104.389. All right. You may look for a buy. In 2 minutes, the market will open, and then you can look at taking your profit. Can look at taking your profit at 104.664. 104.664. So 104.664. With what is happening now, a sell trade might be in order. Technically speaking, all right. Technically speaking, a sell trade might be in order. So that is for US index. That's for US index. So let's go to Euro USD. Okay, you know, Euro USD has been plummeting since last Friday. Okay, and then we may still see it do so, but then based on what is happening, because dollar is momentarily momentarily selling. This guy is trying to push up, but this is what I'm going to ask you to do. Let me first give you a sell entry on Euro USD first. A sell entry. If price trade below 1.07157, 1.07157, you may look at preparing yourself for a sell 1.07157. Let's look at taking a sell. Remember, a niche is coming at 4, so I'm still going to stay with you till 4 o'clock. All right, let's see how we can take advantage of that. 1.07157, you may go in for a sell, and let's look at taking a profit at 1.06, 1.06796, 1.06796. All right, then for your buy entry, on Euro USD, for your buy entry on Euro USD, go in if price trade above 1.07643, 1.07643, 1.07643. Go in for a buy, and then you can look at taking your profit. Look at taking your profit around price level. You can take that around price level 1 point. A minute, please. All right, so you can look at taking it is what's it called 3:30 already. Look at taking your profit at 1.07916. So let's see how the market is reacting on USD JPY, so we can know if we should go in for instant buy or instant sell. Okay, let me see it on 15 minutes. Okay, now this is actually a signal for a buy trade on US USD JPY. However, market is somewhat slow. Even with market is somewhat slow, even with the market opening. But on USD I'm looking at us taking a buy. I'm looking at us taking a buy. It's going to be a buy at least before the news comes out. It's going to be a buy. This on 15 minutes. This is an inverted. This is a hammer rather forming right on this trend line. So this is a buy trade. This is a buy trade on USD JPY. So I'm going to go in for an instant buy on USD JPY. So you can go in for an instant buy on USD JPY and allow it to run. Allow it to run on USD JPY. Okay. So I'm going to be going for an instant buy on USD JPY. Okay. So that is for USD JPY. Then for GBP USD, I'm going to be looking at us pitching our tent with the bulls. I mean with the bears here. That is market. So market will still sell. If you are not risk averse, you can go in actually for a sell now. Although there is a support layer here, but it's a sell trade here. But if you want to be careful on GBP USD, just position yourself so close to this place at 1.25 1.25408. 1.25408. But if you are the type that you can risk it, just going for a sell. Price will break below where it is now and still sell further. All right, and we still sell further. This is on 1 hour time frame. Price will sell. Yes, on 15 minutes time. On 1 hour time frame. Yes. If you check it on 15 minutes time frame, you will still see the same thing. That price is resting right here. So want to break this support level. So if you are the one that you are not afraid, going for a sell on this, going for a sell on this GBP USD, and then go. So you're going for a sell, and then you allow it to run. Okay, it's just that market is slow. Actually, market is slow. All right. So on USD card, USD card is giving us a buy signal. But I will want it. I will not want you to enter an immediate buy here. Okay. So I will say that you just allow it to just break above. Allow it to break above 1.35213. 1.35213. The good thing is that there's going to be a news at 4 o'clock. All right. Though the market is somewhat slow. Okay. So that is for that. But price is trying to push up. Above to push up and break that resistance layer that we are seeing on 1 hour time frame. on one hour time frame. So all right. All right. So information reaching me here. Information reaching me here says that US 100 has taken profit in but we'll go back to it. Go back to it. So USD card. So GBP USD, I said it will sell. So if you are on a sell trade, you might want to hold it. Okay. So you might want to hold it. USD JPY, I said it should be a buy position. So on your buy trade, you might still want to hold your buy trade. Euro USD market hasn't moved well, but for a sell trade, just prepare yourself for a sell trade. Then on USD IDX, price has not triggered as well, but I just want expect it. Like I said earlier, I said technically speaking, it should sell, but it is the opening of the market. Okay, but then US 100. Let me see US 100. So US 100 has taken profit on the buy position. The buy trade has taken profit. It has taken profit. US 30 sell also took profit, and I think it also is the buy entry. All right, but it took profit on the sell first. All right, please let me know, please. I want feedback. I want feedback on your this thing. Okay, then US 500 almost took profit. How many of you were on that trade? Almost took profit. So you should not be on negative on that trade. Okay. Then US 2000. 2000, this one ran in profit. It did not take profit, but it's still running in profit now. And it will take profit in a few seconds. US 2000 is running in profit. Running profits. US 30 years to take profit, okay. But US 2000 just took the profit. 2000 just took profit. Yes, 2000 just took profits here. All right. So 2000 just took profits here. Then on gold is here to trigger. And I said, go in for a buy at 2021.05. 2021.05. And yeah, okay, yes, Pastor Bells. Well done, Pastor Bells. Yes, now to profit. Okay. And then US 2000, I'm on gold. I was going to talk on gold. So gold 2021.05 for a buy, and then a TP at 2026.14 for a sell 2011.32, and your TP at 20. All right. Oh, that is for that. That is for that. Okay. So let me go back to our currency. I want to know what is happening. I want to know what is happening. Okay. All right. Okay. So market is not moving so much where Euro USD wants to sell, is going to sell. USD JPY will buy. I told you to hold your buy trade on USD JPY, so you see it buy. All right. So GBP USD, I said you could go in for a sell. So you could go in for a sell trade on GBP USD. So you could go in for a sell on GBP USD. All right. Market is slow today. All right. So let's hope that the news at 4 o'clock is going to drive in some volatility in the market. Market is quite slow. It is quite slow today. All right. Even the USD JPY, I mean USD card. USD card, I expect it to buy. And it's beginning to get to. I know I told you that this is a buy signal, but I do not want you to hit this resistance before you buy. Let it just cross above 1.35213 before you go in for a buy. All right. Okay. So and that's why now let me say this thing to those of us. You can close the sell trade if you have made money from the buy on US 100. So you can close your sell trade on US 100. You are taking a profit on your buy trade, And I should say this: if you look at it, because of the low volatility in the market, What I just did is to go on lower time frame to take advantage of the market. Do you understand? To take advantage of the market. I just went on lower time frame to take advantage of the market on lower time frame. Do you understand? I went on lower time frame to take advantage of the market. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is this. I'm going to do now is because since the news is coming out at 4, let's see if we see some volatility during the market. This is typical of Mondays. This is typical of Mondays. All right. So I believe some of us here would not be surprised. Okay. US 30 is running back towards your sell trade. All right, but you should not close in negative, but it's still going to close in profit. It's running towards, it's in profit already, but it has not taken profit. But you can make a decision. Don't let it close you out in negative, right? On US 30. Okay. US 500 almost took profit on buy. Yeah, and if you're on that trade, like I would normally always say to us, this thing went so much up there that it took time for it to come down. Okay. USDJPY, you are, yes, hold your buy trade on USDJPY. You understand? So if you're on a buy, hold your buy on USDJPY. So you just relax, hold your buy on USDJPY. Okay, if you're on a buy trade on USDJPY, hold your buy trade. Okay. Let me see if I can give us some entries in preparation for that 4 o'clock news. It will come out in 20 minutes time, right? So let me see what we can do. Interestingly, the setup for the initial entries that I gave you on US 100 is still valid for you. It's still valid for you to set up as a pending order for that news coming out at 4 o'clock. It's still valid. You understand? That especially that buy position. All right, it's still valid, especially that buy position. It's still valid. So I'm going to look at it in about 10, when it is 10 or 7 minutes time. Let me see how it is. I wouldn't want it to be so close to you so that you not trigger and then put people in negative. Do you understand? All right. So that is for that is for it. That's for it. So I'm going to come back to it to give us further entries. I think so far today on Monday, it has been the indices market taking some moves. And that's why that's one of the reasons I love trading in this market anyway. All right. But so US 30 actually is almost taking profit on the sell trade now. Almost. Maybe in a few seconds, it's going to take profit now. Almost taking profit here. So nobody should close this trade on a loss on US 30. So on US 500, now let me even find out who is on trade on US 30. Let me find out. Who is on trade on US 500? I meant to say US 500. Who is on trade on US 500? Let me find out. Okay. So for US 2000, let me give you an entry in preparation for the news coming out at 4. So for the news coming out at 4, I'm going to give you a buy stop on US 2000. On US 2000, if price trades above 1947.8, 1947.8, then 1947.8 on US 2000, going for a buy at 1947.8 and take your profit at 1952.7. 1952.7. How many people cannot hear anything here? Am I the one not hearing anything? If you can hear me, please indicate. If you can hear me, please indicate. People can hear me. All right. Thank you. All right. So I was saying for US 2000, another position I'm giving you for your 2000 is a buy at 1947.8 and TP at 1952.7. Then for your sell trade, please do go below price level 1934.4. 1934.4 and take your profit at 1930.3. No, let me bring it down. Take your profit at 1929.3. 1929.3. For a buy on US 2000, go in at 1947.8 and TP at 1952.7. And then for a sell, going in at 1934.4 and a TP at 1929.3. Right? Then let me see US 500. US 500. Okay, that buy position on US 500 is still very valid. That buy on US 500 is still very valid. All right, it's still very valid. So you might still want to maintain that buy position and the sell position. Since market, I guess no one is on this trade. All right. So the entries are still valid. The entries here are still valid. Okay. US 30. US 30. US 30 did not hit the TP. So if you are on US 30, I want to believe that. So I want to believe. So I want to believe you didn't close the trade on negative. All right. Okay. So that is that's for the, so but for a let me give you an alternative position for a buy trade, on US 30. Going for a buy if price trades above 38669. 38669. 38669. Okay. Going for a buy at 38669, and you can look at taking your profit around price level. Let me see how many pips this is. Let's start taking our profit around price level 38742. 38742. 38742. 38742. 38742. 38742. Hope that is got. All right. This is information for the news coming out in 15 minutes time. Okay. All right. Then for a sell trade, alternatively, for a sell trade, just allow price to trade below. Allow price to trade below. Your US 30 is selling back. All right. So if you're on that trade, ensure you don't close it in negative. Allow price to sell below 38521. So 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 38521 is your entry for this sell position. 38521. Okay. Take your profit. Take your profit at price level 38464. 38464. All right. So the I'm gonna go back to US JPY. Let me just quickly complete the US 100. So for US 100, okay, this setup still looks valid on US 100. But I'm going to come back to it in like 10 minutes, maybe 10 minutes before the news. Okay, so that I won't give you entry, but this setup still looks valid for the news at 4. All right. So let me see USD JPY. Okay. Okay. Uh, all right. USD JPY. Gold just triggered. Okay. Good. Let's see what's happening on gold. Gold buy has triggered. Okay. Okay. So is he going to run? Is he going to run? All right. So if that means US dollar is trying to sell. Okay. The person that is on USD JPY, relax. How much are you losing? Let me know how much are you losing? How much are you losing on USD JPY? How much are you losing? All right. So relax. Generally, dollar is strong. So relax. All right. Just relax. So you can see hold your buy trade. Okay. On USD JPY. See hold your buy trade. So I told you GBP USD would sell, right? Let's see what's happening to GU. Okay, GU is still trading, trading on the same lane, but it's still a sell trade. But if you want to be careful, just wait for it to break below 1.25. You can set it up. I want to believe that news at 4 will capture it. 1.25408. 1.25408. Let it be your sell. All right. But then for your buy entry, for an alternative direction on GU, let's look at us going in for a buy. Let's going in for a buy at price 1.25 on your GU. 1.25811. 1.25811 on GU. 1.25811. And let's look at following it up. You made a good one. You made 800 USD this afternoon on the buy trade USD card. Well done, Mr. Adewale. Well done. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's good. So I see expect USD card to still push up. Okay, I expect it to still push up. Let's wait for the news. So I was saying something on GU before. So on GU, I said you could go in you can set a buy stop at 1.25811, 1.25811, and take your profit at 1.26192, 1.26192 for GU. All right, for GU. Then for your sell trade I gave you at 1.25408. Let's look at taking our profit around 1.24814. 1.24814. So, but my preference is with the BS this afternoon on GU. All right. So on gold, okay, gold triggered the buy and is it trying to push up again. So those of you who trade has triggered, so you may still want to hold on. You may still want to hold on. All right. So on USD card, the entry. The entry I gave you, Mr. Adewale, I have mentioned it over and over. All right. So 1.35 on USD card, 1.35213 going for a buy at 1.35213, going for a buy at 1.35213. And by the time it is the verified resistance, let me see. This is like 22 pips. So you can look at taking your profit at 1.35443. So 1.35443. 1.35443. 1.35443. All right, that is it, but is a buy trade actually. All right, 1.35443. Okay. So for a sell trade alternatively, because it is news, all right, it is news. Let's capture it on both ends. Okay. So look at taking your entry at 1.34, 1.34964, 1.34964. Okay. So and let's look at us taking our profit since it is news. Okay. All right. Just that. Let's look at taking our profit at 1.34727, 1.34727, 1.34727. All right. Okay. So let me go back to US 100. I really want to see what's happening there because I know the market will still move. However, so even the seller is taking profits. That sell trade we gave the other time taking profit. So let me give us entry for this US 100 now. Going for a buy on US 100. If price trades above 17707.46, 17707.46, going for a buy. And then you can look at taking your profit. Look at taking your profit at price. Let me see how many pips this. Okay. Like 11, 13 pips. Okay. So look, take your profit at 17721.83. 17721.83. 17721.83. Remember, the initial buy and sell as both of them have taken profit. Initial buy and sell positions have taken profit. I'm giving you another one now in preparation for the news. All right. So for a sell trade on this index, okay, I'm just going to ask just to be careful. All right. I'm going to ask you to go in for a sell at price 1762.91. 1762.91. Meanwhile, for that buy trade on US 100, I think we can increase the TP, and it's even moving upward. I don't want it to trigger before now. So that means you must be flexible and elastic enough to adjust your entries, right? Okay. Now let's move the entry upward a bit. So the TP for the sell is 17640.88. 17640.88. So you can quickly adjust. You may just want to adjust the entry for that buy, and I don't want it to trigger before time. Just move it up to 17711.72. 17711.72 for that buy position. 17711.72, and then take the TP to 17731.84. 17731.84. So we are trying to make the best of the market, more Monday, like is usually slow like this. All right. But I believe we got the entries. For the US 30, I gave you the new entry at 38669 and your TP at 38742. And for your sell entry, I gave you at 38521 and your TP at 38463. For the 500 US 500, I said the setup is intact. The initial setup is intact. Okay. And then for US 2000, I gave you your new entry at buy at 1947.8 and TP at 1952.7. While for your sell, 1934.4 and your TP at 1929.3. Okay, so let me see gold again and let's see what it is doing. Gold is moving is moving again in the buy direction. So there's no need to panic. There's no need to panic. So let's believe the news. We quicken it, and we are in profit. Good one for you. All right. So, but let's see our currency pairs again and see how they are faring. Gold is still moving. It's moving. It should have given you profit now if you are on gold trade. All right. So let's see the US index. US index is still giving a sell trade. Okay. You go USD. So these positions are still okay. The market is slow. That's why perhaps maybe I should be wary of giving you instant execution. I should be wary of giving you instant execution. All right, because of the slowness of the market. So the JPY trade, those of you on buy trade and it's giving you sell, your trade is going to reverse now. Okay, look at this pin bar forming. This is an inverted armor forming here now. All right, so just relax. Price is going to go back up. Okay, follow it up and take it in profit. Okay. So for GU, I said GU is going to sell. I said, but to be careful, go in for your sell at 1.25408, 1.25408, and then follow it down to 1.24814, or to any point or spot where you've made good money and you're comfortable with it, you can exit the market. And I gave you an alternative direction on GU. I said if it trades above 1.25 as depending on that, which is the buy stop, at 1.25811, 1.25811, can go in for a buy and take a profit at 1.26192. Let me repeat myself. For those of you who trade have always taken profit on a particular position, close the other one. Close the other one. It's better. It's better to be safe than to be sorry. All right. Okay. So I said on on GBP USD, go in for a sell at 1.25408 and TP at 1.24814. But you don't need to wait for TP, right? In 3 minutes time, news is going to come out. I want to see how it will move this market today. Monday is slow. You can see what it's doing despite the high partners that we've had today. But for a buy trade, I said going at 1.25881. 1.25881 and take your profit at 1.26192. Right. So that is for GU, that's for GBP USD. Then USD card, I said going for a buy on USD card at 1.35213. 1.35213, going for a buy. And look at taking your profit at 1.35443. 1.35443. I said going for a buy on USD card at 1.35213 and take a profit at 1.35443. Alternatively, I said set a sell stop at 1.34964. 1.34964. Take advantage of it and take your profit at 1.34727. 1.34727. In 2 minutes time, let's see how the market will react even to the news coming out today. All right. So on Euro USD, the positions are intact. Okay. USD IDX, the positions are still intact as well. Okay. And then for the entities market, market seems to be moving more today than selling. All right. So it's a good one. Let's take advantage of the market today. Let's make money. Let's wait and see how the market reacts. And then, but so far, who has made money today? I know someone for those on USD engineer and those on USD I have said over and over. I said I am buying USD card. Sorry, USD I know it's momentarily selling. Okay. All right. Okay, so let me know. But then who has traded and made money today? For US 100, I said your entry for US 100 is for a buy is 17,711.72, and your TP at 17,731.84. For a sell, I said 17,662.91, and your TP at 17,640.88. Right. So in a minute's time, let's see how the market reacts. Let's see if we are making profit. And for those on JPY, trade, there's no need to panic. Look at how the market has reacted. So let me show it to you on 1 hour time frame. Okay. Look at it on 1 hour time frame. Uh on 1 hour time frame, market has been trading in between this zone, the verified support and the pulling resistance. So each time price got to this region, it has always gone. But let's see what's happening now. Can you see now? Can you see USD now? Can you see? Can you see now? Can you see? Can you see USD? Can you see it now? So are you now smiling now? For those on negative, you can close it once you make profit. All right. US 100, US 100, okay. Is it trying to decide? Is it trying to decide? Okay. US 30, trying to decide as well. 500, still deciding. 2000, all of them are still deciding. Let's see that our currency pairs. Okay. US index is about to trigger. Euro USD has not triggered. JPY, for those of you in negative, right? You should not be on negative any longer, right? Then GU has triggered sell. GU has triggered sell, and it's still trying to push down. GU has triggered sell. USD card has triggered buy. USD card has triggered buy. It has triggered buy. Right, so allow it to run. Allow it to run. Let me take comments. Let me take comments. Okay. So for US 100, you see, then I'm just seeing your message, Mr. Jerry. If you had gone in for an instant buy, market will have been against you. Okay. Oh, some people are on gold. Gold reversed against you. Okay. But you were in profit before it reversed, right? Okay. The impact of the market will soon win. You understand? So we can trade the market technically. You understand? After that, so you just relax. There's no need to panic. Just relax. You made profit. So hey, Mr. Destiny is here. You are a newbie. Okay. Hope you've closed it. All right. All right. So for those on negative on gold, it's going back in profit. It's going back in profit. All right. So D30. I'm just see that it's trying to go back in profit. You made money, Engineer Alayo. Good one. Good one. Good one. Good one. So US 100. Interestingly, in this market didn't send us this afternoon. This what's it called? Uh, So he didn't send us. Let's see how you're going to do in the next 5 minutes. But I should begin to call it a day for today. At least, despite the slowness in the market, what's it called? Some of us still made money now, right? Still made money. Okay. So the thing is, you don't need to panic. Market will go back to where it left off from. Just follow it. You understand? The high impact of today, we soon. But those of you on GU is still selling, right? Allow you to sell, run in profit, make your money. Okay, make your money. USD card is still running in profit. It's running in towards the buy position. So make your money. Okay. I was asking people on US 500. Yeah, you. Oh, Madam Agnes, good one. Good one. US 500. Okay. Sellers taking profits for US 500. The sellers taking profit. All right, for US 500. It's still running in profit. And that buy position, you should not. Yeah, US, and you made 12K. Good one on US 100. Okay. For US 100, sell trade has triggered. For US 100, the sell trade has triggered. So but it's looking at selling. All right, it's looking at selling. Okay, so if you are in a sell trade, just allow it to run. If your seller trigger, just allow it to run. All right, allow it to run, and then there's no need to panic. There's no need to panic. It's still going to run in profit. It's still going to run in profit. Once it's in profit, you can just close your trade, and then you are good. It's running in profit already. All right, it's running in profit already. It's running in profit already. So close the buy. Is it going to run in profit too? So just close your trade. It's about taking profit now. The sale is going to run in profit. You don't need to wait for TP, but it's still running in profit now. So ensure you close it. You understand? So is he going to go back? All right. Is he going to go back? So, all right. All right. That sell trade will still go back. That sell trade on US 100 will still go back. Just relax. It should go back in profit. You understand? Once you go back in profit, just close. It will go back in profit. Just relax. The sell trade will go back in profit. Then for which one is it again? US 30 sellers together as well. Close the buy. Close the buy. If one has taken in profit, close it. US 30 is running in profit. I've always said it, don't wait TP. This trade for that US 100, it's gone in profit well. US 100 is going back in profit for you now. It's going back in profit for you now, but don't wait TP. Okay? Then US 500, they sell two profit. I was mentioning US 500 the other time. I said US 500 initially went in profit in the buy direction, almost took profit before it went down. And I said it before giving you entry. I said, don't wait till TP. TP is just for guidance. If you use good volume and you've made money, exit the market, right? Okay. Then 2000 has triggered your sell and it's also running in profit. Your sell has triggered and it's also running in profit. Okay. But all of them will go back towards sell. All of them will go back towards it. So if your sell trade has triggered, all right? If your sell trade has triggered, just close it. I mean, if your sell trade on US 100 has triggered, just really, allow it to run, to go back in profit. Okay. But if you're negative, just hold on, it will go back. It will go back. That US 100. Then I was saying something on gold. Gold is back in profit now. Gold is back in profit. Just allow it to run. It's back in profit. Mr. Adekunle, I have said it over and over again. Okay. I have explained this over and over again. Okay, I don't need to keep saying it. All right. Which one do we have? Okay. I was going to say something on, all right. Euro USD has not triggered. Okay. But GU is still going to sell. GU is still going to sell. All right. USDPY has bought. Okay. So USDPY has bought and it still has the chance of buying further. Still has a chance of buying further. All right. So if still has a chance of buying further, your US 100 sell, I said your TP is at 17.640.88, 17.640.8, but it's still going to go down. This is a sell signal. It's still going to go down. All right. It's a sell signal. It should still go down. It's a sell signal and it should still go down. Okay, that is for it's going down now. So you're negative before, it's going down now. It's going down now, so you should make good money on it. It's going down now, and it's going to go down again for you. Is it going to go down more? It's going down more now. In good profit for you. All right. So I think I think it's a good one today. It's a good one today. All right, it's a good one today. So let's have a very wonderful day, and then we meet again tomorrow. It's a beautiful, 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 beautiful market. Today, have a very wonderful afternoon, everybody. God bless you.